purposes only. This is a test message. Tornado warning for all of Virginia until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a test message. This practice tornado warning for all cities and counties in Virginia is issued as part of the 2017 Virginia statewide tornado drill. Repeat, this is a test tornado warning for Virginia cities and counties only. No severe weather is actually occurring. You should review and implement your severe weather safety procedures at this time. This is a test message. Locations include all cities and counties in Virginia. When a real tornado warning is issued, a tornado has either been sighted or detected by National Weather Service Doppler radar. When a real tornado warning is issued, get to the basement or interior portion of the lowest level of the building. Stay away from windows. Get into a small room such as a closet or bathroom. Get as many walls as possible between you and the outside part of the structure. If you are in a mobile home or older manufactured home, leave it and get into a reinforced building or home or lie down in a low-lying area. If you are caught outside and see the tornado close to you, try to get into a sturdy building. Otherwise, get into a ditch or ravine. This test tornado warning has been issued as part of Virginia Tornado Preparedness Day. No severe weather is actually occurring.